Let's learn some English words. Walk. Verb to move or go somewhere by putting one foot in front of another. Noun, going somewhere on foot for pleasure or exercise. Sentence, people are walking in the city center. A boy is walking. Trudge. Verb, to walk slowly with a lot of efforts, especially over a difficult surface or while carrying something heavy. Noun, a long walk that makes you feel very tired. Sentence, a man is trudging through the snow. The boy trudges home with a load of essentials. A woman trudges with shopping bags. Sprint. Verb, to run as fast as you can over a short distance, either in a race or because you are in a great hurry to get somewhere. Noun, a very fast run that someone makes when they are in great hurry to get somewhere. Sentence, athletes broke into a sprint to get to the finish line. Stroll. Verb, to walk in a slow relaxed way, especially for pleasure. Noun, allow relaxed walk, especially for pleasure. Sentence, friends are strolling in the park. Woman strolls along the street. Roam. Verb, to walk or travel without any real purpose or direction. Sentence, animals are roaming around. The couple is roaming around. Trek. Verb, to walk long distance, usually over land such as hills, mountains or forest. Noun, a long walk over land such as hills, mountains or forest. Sentence, they spent the day trekking through forests and over mountains. Stride. Verb, to walk somewhere quickly with long steps. Noun, a step, especially a long step. Sentence, she has a distinctive bouncy stride. The man is striding to mend the fence. Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Like this video and share. Thank you for watching.